Today's show is going to be all about it.
Mr. Wooka, am I in this puppet show?
Of course you're in this puppet show, Gary. Get down there. Get down.
Oh,
get
I'm
down,
sorry. I'm sorry I'm late.
Whoa.
Okay, come on over here. Yep.
I'm happy. I'm so happy I feel like singing. La 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 la. I'm so happy. Happy. And sometimes when I'm happy, I really like to do puppet shows. Would you like a puppet show out there? That makes me happy. So I'm going to go down in here and do a puppet show for you.
Hey, I'm angry. That's right. I'm angry. But sometimes, when I'm tired of being angry, I like to put on a, happy puppet show. Yeah, you know the type with, dancing and, twirly pink skirts and things. Hold on, you'll see what I mean.
La chi flay, la 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 lina, I'm so happy. But it's kind of boring being happy all the time because my cheeks hurt from smiling. So I like to make an angry puppet show.
Hey, I'm angry. I'm angrier than the first guy that was angry. And I'm so angry, I need to calm myself down with a happy, really happy puppet show. I'm angry.